Hi everyone, Sonia here. Some of you might know me as part of Come Walk With Us, the couple who is doing a 4-year hike across Canada on the Great Trail to promote diversity in the outdoors and engagement with nature through birds and citizen science. We are super excited to get back out onto the Great Trail this year, but like many of you, in the meantime, we are looking for ways to stay connected to nature close to home. We're sharing a few ideas on how to do this, and one really fun and simple way is by watching the birds at your feeder. So here we're going to show you how to make a simple bird feeder out of items you might find in your home. So to build a simple bird feeder, you will need scissors, a push pin, a twig or dowel, a ruler, a milk carton or other beverage container, pen and paper, twine or string, and of course birdseed. You begin by cutting a rectangular hole in the side of the container, about 3 to 4 centimeters from the bottom. To do this, I cut out a simple paper rectangle and traced around it with a pen. I then used the push pin to puncture a hole in the side of the container and wiggled it around a little to make the hole as large as possible. I then used a pair of small pointy scissors to enlarge the hole and began cutting out the rectangle. Once that part is done, you want to follow the exact same steps in order to make a hole on the other side. The next thing that you want to do is make a hole at the bottom of the container that you can insert a stick or dowel through for the birds to land on. A good height for the perch is about 1.5 centimeters below the opening, and you want the perch to be relatively even and flat, so it might be a good idea to use the ruler here so you can get the holes even. Simply puncture a hole using the pin, enlarge it with the scissors, and push the stick through. The last step is making holes at the top of the container to put the string through so you can hang your feeder. Use the push pin to make 2 holes. You might need to enlarge them with the scissors. And then thread the string through and tie it off. The last step is, of course, to fill your brand new bird feeder with birdseed. So that's it. You're ready to hang up your feeder and see what birds come to visit. For more great ideas on how to stay connected to nature while staying home and practicing social distancing, and to learn about birds and nature along Canada's 24,000 kilometer Great Trail, please follow our journey online.